Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm here because customers complaining it's got a noise on the front wheel bearing or in the front tires. So today I was driving. Look at this. This is a sign of bad wheel bearing. So I'm sure I'm sure you guys, most of the guys, they know how to diagnostic a bad wheel bearing. But in this case, for those people that don't know or they just start learning, so right here, this one is solid. See? Solid. But this one, just look at this. Even the sound right away. Yep. See right there. It's pretty noisy. So I'm gonna take it apart and see what's the damage. By the way, this is a 2003. This is a Chevy Tahoe. So 4x4. Man, cannot find anything here. Let's see. Hopefully this socket will do it. Yep, right there. The wheel bearing is bad. I know you guys can't see it, but there is a noise. I like to use some hooks for the calipers, so that way it's going to be out of your way. It makes it easier. I believe it's at 36 and 34. I think it's a 34 millimeter. Nope. 36. With the air tool makes life so easy. Well, the socket won't fit, so I gotta use a different one. Yep, still won't fit. This is the angle. Gonna bring your attention on this. The reason I won't fit is because, see right there. You guys see how much clearance I have right here between this stud and the socket? That's why I'm using my extra long snap-on ratchet. But besides that, well, let's see. Gotta take this out, this baby out. Okay. Got this. And I was saying it won't fit on the impact socket because right here, it kinda, it didn't give, see right there, it didn't give you really much room to put a bigger socket, so that's why I gotta use this extension and a socket. I'm gonna remove the other bolt. Let's see. finally moving now. It's pretty rusty. See how rusty it is? Look at that, pretty rusty. All these crusts, it's like welding it together. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. So we're gonna find out. Okay. This bearing, yeah, it's got some play. As you guys can hear it, huh? So don't forget to disconnect the harness for the speed sensor. Make sure this plate goes back in the same place. Make sure you didn't bend it. If you bend it, try to put it the same way it came out. And just put a little bit of grease right here. A little bit here, clean up all these hub on the knuckle part, you know, and remove the clips, torque the wheel bearing nut, and make sure you tie this tie rod in. Make sure those bolts, 3 bolts, that are gonna be tight, and that one holds the wheel bearing. I got a new one right here. It comes with the new bolts. It's a new part. It's got a new speed sensor. Really nice, clean part. I got this part from O'Reilly's. Nobody's paying me any advertising, but on the beginning, you know, Napa, it was selling really good products, but the market and the prices and blah, blah, blah. No, Napa, it's not as good as it used to be to compare prices. I know you guys gonna say apples to apples, orange to orange. Okay. We buy parts every day, lots of parts, and we compare it, and there is no difference anymore. It's a really good quality part from O'Reilly's, and it's gonna be up to you, to your own criteria. So you decide what are you gonna buy. But for me, I go for O'Reilly's, good product, good price. If you guys gonna think, you know, Napa is better, okay, go for it. But just saying, you know. Well, guys, this is a video about replacing wheel bearing for a 2003 Chevy Tahoe 5.3. You know the procedures. And don't be afraid, you know. You break this wire, well, the new one comes with a new wire, so don't mess with the caliper. Put it away, use a hook, you know, that's what I'm using on top of the caliper. There's the hook, out of your way, so you don't have to bang your head or damage the hose, you know, nothing. Just put it out of your way. It's gonna be so easy, nice and clean. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the weekend. Bye.